Hi everyone, good afternoon. This my plant. This eggplant. This is my garden. How many plant? 8 planting. And have a chili. Chili here. Muna ni akong garden nagibugwal. Taong eggplant and the chili. This one ako ning butangan og kamuti. This one is a sweet potato. I think tomorrow I put it the sweet potato.